What's good, everybody? Welcome back to another video. I'm going to try to keep this short. So today I'm going to recap my past two trades. We bought a new prop firm on the 5%ers, $10,000 account for about $64 ish with the discount code, of course. But the rules are 10% drawdown max, 5% drawdown daily. Target 1 is 10%, target 2 is 5%. So that is it. Let's get straight into the first trade. You'll have to ignore that background noise for a peaceful... Never mind. So first was a long. We took two losses. My first one was a long 2.1% loss at a bullish bias, 0 out of 10. Broken and retested, 4 out of 10. Not a good entry. Entered on fine 1 minute confirmations. Position management was decent. I was trading with unclear mind. I wasn't sure, and I entered hastily. This was a 2 out of 10 trade. And as you can see, sorry, I had to pause the video. Here's the trade we took. As you can see, there was a very low time frame break and retest above the London highs, so I wanted to long off of that. But of course, we swept the highs, so we should have just shorted instead. Next trade, 1.63% loss, bullish bias once again, 0 out of 10. We longed at the highs. Highs were broken and retested. I'm removing this entry signal for now unless there's a 10 out of 10 entry that presents itself. I also decided to stop trading 30 minutes pre-market because my trading was better before I discovered it. I was simply long at lows and short at highs. Okay, now I'm stripping down my strategy and simplifying it. Entered on a decent 1 minute break of structure, fair value gap, okay. Position management was okay, but my bias and entry signal were wrong. Bad trade. I needed a way bigger break and retest, not a small 1 minute time frame, quick break and retest. So I did this trade a 1 out of 10. We failed because of the exact same reason as the last trade, and instead of a 2 out of 10, it's a 1 out of 10 because we repeated the exact same mistake 2 days in a row. Oof. I forgot to mark out the highs and lows, but you'll just have to imagine the highs are somewhere up here. What time frame is this on? Oh no. But we longed here at the highs. There was a small break and retest, and we instantly hit stop loss and continued going lower. I believe this is the right image. It might not be actually, but yeah. How can we fix our two losses? What did we learn from them? Well, we must long at the lows and short at the highs. Keep it simple like that. I'm gonna stop trading break and retests for a while. Even if I trade less, that's fine. I've also decided to stop trading in pre-markets. My trading was better before I even knew about it. When I just traded the New York's open, and for a break of retest, I need a 10 out of 10 setter. I want an entry on the 15 minute. I want at least a 15 minute candle to shoot break above and retest over maybe 2 or 3 candles. I need a big break and retest, because not a small 1 minute. That's just a fake out. And yeah, that's all, guys. Thank you all for watching. We are, how much are we down? We're down, we're down 3.74%, which is not bad at all. I've been trying to risk 4% per trade, but we have the same volume issue again, even though it's better. That just, the previous leverage, my previous prop firm was 1 to 30, and this one is 1 to 100. My previous max lots was 3, but now it's 90 or 30. So I can take trades with a smaller stop loss, but I can't risk as much as I want to. That's also why this was less than 2% risk. These prop firms are a little bit scammy, guys. There's a whole bunch of rules. Also, I can't trade news on this one. I can't trade 2 minutes before or 2 minutes after, or during New Year's. You guys should have seen what happened today. I was just waiting, guys. But as you can see right here, this was the news candle. I was about to enter because the lows were swept. And I was about to enter high along, but I was just waiting for this high to be broken, and then I wanted to long even into news, and boom, we never got the break of structure on the 1 minute, but we did get a huge bullish candle. Anyways, that's in the past. Tomorrow's a Friday. We may trade, we may not trade. Thank you for watching. I think my trading is going to improve a lot because of my last 2 losses. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.